Hello everyone, welcome to my channel RG Facts. To get the more interesting facts, please watch the video full. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Let's begin the video. In this topic, we are going to talk about the most mysterious planet of the solar system, that is planet Venus. Venus is the second nearest planet in our solar system from Sun. The sixth biggest planet in the solar system is 10 crore and 56 lakhs km far from the Sun. The weight of the Venus is about 4.87 into 10 to the power 24 kg, and its density ranges to 4.2 gram per density centimeter. Venus is also sometimes called Earth's sister planet. Venus takes 224.7 days to rotate the Sun, and it takes 243 days to rotate in its axis. Among all the planets, Venus has the longest day, that is 243 days is equal to 1 day in Venus. The average diameter of this planet is around 12,103 km, which is only 650 km less than the planet Earth. The planet is named for Venus, the Roman goddess of love and beauty, and is the second largest terrestrial planet. Venus is the most hottest and the brightest planet seen in the sky during night. Its average temperature is up to 400 degrees centigrade. Venus is seen in the west of the sky after sunset and also seen in the east before sunrise. So due to this, Venus is referred to as the morning star and also known as the evening star. Venus' size and mass is almost so similar to the planet Earth, so that this planet is also known as the twin planet of Earth. Venus is the only first planet that were first experimented by the scientists. Scientists believe that Venus possesses large amounts of water and oceans. However, due to high temperatures produced from the extreme greenhouse effect, this water boiled off long ago, and the surface of the planet is now too hot and hostile to sustain life. Friends, did you know most other planets rotate counterclockwise on their axis? However, Venus, like Uranus, rotates clockwise. This rotation is also known as retrograde rotation and may have been caused by the collision with an asteroid or other objects which cause the planet to change its rotational path. Isn't it interesting? The atmospheric pressure of Venus is 92 times stronger than Earth's pressure, but the magnetic field of the Venus is very weak. Venus is also a closed planet to the Earth. There is more acidic clouds in the Venus, so that the radiation coming from the Sun gets changes and the planet is seen so brightest in the sky. Friends, did you know there are more volcanoes on Venus than on any other planet in the solar system? The winds sweep across Venus at super fast speeds that can reach up to 450 miles an hour in its middle cloud layer. These winds are faster than the speediest tornado on Earth. Friends, Venus planet appears to have phases like the Moon. The first person to witness these phases was Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei in 1610 AD. Friends, Venus and Mercury are the only planets within our solar system not to have any moons orbiting them. Venus is also the only planet named after a female. The planet's atmosphere is mostly made up from carbon dioxide. Venus' rotational speed is 35 km per second. This planet has so thick atmosphere that its surface cannot see, so that this planet is so mysterious among all other planets. The highest peak in the planet is known as Maxwell Montague, which is 11 km high from its surface. Friends, Mariner 2 was the first spacecraft that was sent to this planet. The surface of Venus is hidden by an opaque layer of clouds which are formed from sulfuric acid. The temperature on Venus does not vary much between the night and day. This is due to the movement of the solar winds across the surface of the planets. Friends, there are so many mysteries that this planet hides itself and need to study about it. Venus is so mysterious that even scientists are trying to explore the planets even more. Thank you guys for watching this video. For more interesting and amazing facts, please subscribe my channel RG Facts and press the like and bell icon. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.